Hey everybody, I'm Taylor Scanlon from the Dan Plowman team, and today I want to welcome you to this great Century home we have for sale here in Oshawa, 62 Park Road South. Come on in, I'm going to show you around, you're going to love it. All right, so as we walk in, we kind of come into this little sunroom area, and we come a little bit further, now we get into the living areas. We have a big living room behind me. It's a great space, perfect for you, your friends, your family. So we go a little bit further, we have that formal dining area. It's a good size, a huge table in here. We have pocket doors kind of separating them. So we walk through a little bit further. We have a kitchen. And then we have main floor laundry, we have a two-piece washroom. You take a look around for the rest of the main floor, I'll meet you upstairs. All right, now we're upstairs in this great home. We actually have a full second kitchen up here. There's 2 more bedrooms, a full 4-piece washroom. Everything you possibly need is up here. Take a look around and I'll meet you after. All right guys, I really hope you enjoyed the tour of this great home. This home represents a great opportunity for a creative investor. So if you would like to book your own showing of this home, make sure to call that number above. And if you want to be kept informed of all the other homes that we have coming up on the market, make sure to hit that subscribe button. All right, I'm Taylor and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.